Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will be showing you how to make a lovely chicken and vegetable terrine. Here I have a carcass, like a chicken carcass, so I'm going to take you through the process. If you are new here, my name is Lyndon Houston. Welcome to the channel. So over this side I have my pot here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to season this with some salt and pepper and some other natural season. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the carcass straight in that. So what I'm going to put in this, I'm going to put a bit of thyme, 1 bay leaf, and we're going to use some sliced garlic in that. I'm going to put some finely chopped garlic in. We're going to add some salt. We're going to put some cracked black pepper in this. So now we're just going to pop a lid on this. We're going to let him cook, and then we're going to start work on our vegetables. Okay, what I'm doing now, I'm going to take some of this. We're going to dice them. Let me just change the knife. So we want these small dice. Next up, I need about half of this, half of that. Next up, we need some garlic slice. Also, we're gonna add a bit of spring onion. That. That's what it looked like. So I have this large carrot, or if you have cucumber, I will check in the fridge if I have any cucumber, then I'll take it through the process. So I find cucumber, so I'll use this instead. So I want to get this flat. So I'm going to need different layers like this. So I'm going to use two of this, one of this and one of this, or two of this and one of this. I'm going to get a bit of oil in that. Just going to move it around like this. Yeah. Then we're going to start with my layers like this. So with this, just make it yours. So that's done. So this one, I'm gonna try put him down like this. For the side bits, I'm gonna kind of go there with the side bits. So with these now, I'm just gonna put them in the fridge. So the stock here is ready. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with this. So we're gonna pour all the garnish in this now. So that's how we're gonna do that. And then the hot liquid, the stock. So the stock, we're gonna pour it over this. So just get a fork, and we're gonna take off, some of the meats off this. Pick off as much as you can. Yeah, so this is all I get out of that. I'm just gonna pour this in here. So in this, I'm gonna add some gelatin. You don't have to add it, but this is gonna thicken up by itself anyway. But this is personal preference. And we're gonna give him a good stir. Next up, we're gonna get our containers, so they are ready, good to go. And we're gonna spoon in our mixture in this. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna put these in the fridge and let them set properly before you even